Good evening guys, welcome to Update Study Practice channel. We are discussing about analogy and its types. There are 9 types. We are discussing about last type, alphabet analogy type 9. And we saw 3 sums in alphabet analogy. Now we are moving to 4th sum. The question is E, J, O, T, V, Q, L, G, B, G, L, Q, and then question mark. And this question was asked in SSC exam 2005. The options are option A, AE, IM, option B, AF, KP, option C, Y, T, O, J, option D, ZUPK. What we have to do first, we have to find the clue from the question. So let's check and write E, J, O, T. E, J, O, T. So number it. E, J, O, T. In an alphabetical order. What's in E, J, O, T in alphabetical order? E is 5. And then J is, here it's J. J is 10. And then O is 15. And again T is 20. Am I right? Yes. 5, 10, 15, 20. So let's check the number for V, Q, L, G. So what's V? V is 22. V is 22. Q is 17. L is 12. And then G is 7. So what's the relationship between these two alphabet sets? 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 17, 12, 5. If you check the alphabet in alphabetical order and also in reversal order, we have number it na. See, A as 1 up to Z as 26, and same Z from 1 in a reversal order we have written, and up to A as 26. If you check the alphabetical order and also reversal order, see, for 5 it's V, for 10 it's Q, and for 15 10 it's Q, and for 15 is L, and for 20 is 7. Sorry, 20 it's G. Can you get the answer? What I am saying, can you understand it? So in the same place of 5, 10, 15 and 20, if we check in a reversal order, you can get the answer for V, Q, L, G. Wait, I am explaining for answer. Now write the answer. Not the answer, write the B, G, L, Q. So number it in an alphabetical order. In alphabetical order means what is B? B is 2. Right? G is 7. Right? And then L is 12. Okay. And then Q is 17. So 2, 7, 12, 17. Okay. For same 2, 7, 12, 17, we are going to write the alphabets in a reversal order. We have to check out in a reversal order. What we have to do? Reversal order means from Z as 1 and up to A as 26. If you check for the same number 2, here is Y. For same number 7 in a reversal order, it's T. For same number 12 in a reversal order, it's O. For same number 17 in reversal order, it's J. So what's the answer? Answer is YTOJ. Answer we are getting is YTOJ in a reversal order. So answer is YTOJ. Can you understand what I am saying? Just write the number along with alphabets in an alphabetical order. Starts from A as 1 to Z as 26. Compare that number, same number, 2, 7, 12, 17 in a reversal order from Z as 1 to A as 26. So 2 in alphabetical order is B, 2 in reversal order it's Y. Okay, can you get it? So this is the different sum. You have to think and do it. That's only the problem. It takes time to think. What's the relation? What's the clue behind it? Otherwise, it's the easiest sum. If you found the clue, it is easiest sum. Now we are moving to fifth sum. Fifth sum is NOPQ, same model, MLKJ. Same model is not the reversal one, different, same kind of problem, but the method may be vary. And this question was asked in SSC exam 2002. The options are A, D, E, F, G. B is E, F, G, H. Then C, F, E, D, C. And then D, G, F, E, D. And this is the question along with the option. So what we have to do, we have to find the clue. Yes, write the question again. NOPQ and then MLKJ. So number it in an alphabetical order. What's the N in alphabetical order is 13, O 15, P 16, Q 17. And then M is 13, L 12, K 11, and then J 10. So what's the clue behind this? 10, 11, 12, 13. Sorry, N is 14. In an alphabetical order, we find the answer is J is 10, K is 11, L is 12, M is 13, N is 14, O is 15, P is 16, and then Q is 17. So this is the clue behind this. It's an alphabetical order, starts from 10 to 17. Can you understand this one? Come on, let's find the answer by using the same method. H, I, J, K. What's H? H is 8 in an alphabetical order, I is 9, J is 10 and K is 11. So before H, what is the alphabet? G, F, E, D. Number it. D is 4, E is 5, F is 6, G is 7, H is 8, I is 9, J is 10 and K is 11. So the answer is G, F, E, D. Answer is G, F, E, D. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the clue behind it. Can you understand it? Starts from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 up to J to Q. They have number from the question. Similarly, to find the answer H, I, J, K, we have taken and written along with their numbers. Alphabetical order numbers. H is 8, I is 9, J is 10, K is 11. So here also 14, but here it's 13, 12, 11, 10 in a decreasing order. So also I am written here as 7, 6, 5, 4 in a decreasing or reversal order. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So G, F, E, D. Compared to the number along with alphabets, G, F, E, D is the answer. This also easiest sum. The next sum is 80 GIEYTH output question mark. And this question was asked in SSC exam 2002. So we have to find the clue. Before that, the options are TUOTUP. Option B is TUOUTP. Option C is UTOPTU. Option D is UOTUPT. So we have to find the clue first. Write down AETEIGHTY. And then again write GIEYTH. GIEYTH. So we have to find the relationship between 80 and GIEYTH. So see here, this G comes here, I in same place, it's written it, and then E to third place. And then same for Y. Here T, same place is retains, and H at last. So this is the clue behind it. They are writing 80 as GIEYTH in this manner. So using this same method, we are going to find the answer for output. So take and write out, put. What we have to do? Third place as first one, second one retains the same place, and third one, first place is third one. Similarly for this one, T is in third place, retains the first place, U same second place, and P first place goes to last place. So T-U-O-T-U-P. T-U-O-T-U-P. The option A is the right answer. Or you can number it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third one comes to first place. Second retains here. And first one to third place. So 3. First one to third place 1. Sixth one is here. 5 same place. 4 lowest place. So they are arranged in 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4 order. If you want number the output, so you can number it. So 3, 2 same place, 1, 6, 5 same place, and 4 at last. So 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4. Can you get it? This is the clue behind it. Okay. If you have any doubt, please comment it. Here I conclude. Tomorrow we can see with some more examples. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Please share and subscribe my channel. Bye.